Everyone, good morning to each and every one of you. Myself Vishal Pandey, and today I will be discussing your snapshot book for class 11th. And before starting this, let me be very familiar with you all that whenever we are supposed to go somewhere, whenever we are supposed to go to meet our colleagues, friends, relatives, and so forth, we used to take the address, because whenever we are going somewhere we should be relevant, because we have to meet someone. So we need what? Yes, we need the address. So basically today I will be starting the chapter from your book, and the name of the chapter as written over here is the address. Now we will have a discussion. What we will be discussing about this chapter is, we will discuss about the author first, because it will play an initial role in your writings. Whenever you will get opportunity to write your sheet in the examination, you have to be aware, because the author plays an important role in the story itself. Second, we will be discussing the introduction of the story will be there for you, because it is very important. You should know, you must know the story, what is the summary of the story, the summarization of the story should be and must be clear before you. And the third one, which is very important as I suggest, is the character analysis. Because without character analysis, you cannot understand the story in a detailed way, or you can understand in an easy way. So what we have to do, the character analysis should be also done by us. So these all are the concern which I have regarding this story, which you have to understand in the same way. You can see on your screen, we have the logo of our institution, that is Green Valley English School. You will be getting this type of logo whenever you will be having your this online class. So we will continue after this. As I was telling you all, that we have to understand the three basic things, that is about the author, the character analysis, and the introduction or the summary of the story. But let me be very frank with you, before going straight away to the topic, let us discuss something else, the background of this story, how and where this story has recognized, got an acknowledgement. This writer, which you can see on the screen as pen name Marga Minko, the real name was Sarah Minko. But before, why she wrote this story, the address as it is titled, let me take you in the background of the story. First of all, we have to understand that this story has been set up on the Second World War, which was happened from 1939 and lasted up till 1945. So all over the cynosure of this war was Adolf Hitler of Germany. So this story has set up in Holland, a country which is situated in Germany itself, from Europe itself. And what Hitler does is, he used to catch the Jews and he used to send them into the concentration camps. So the father and mother of Marga Minko was also caught in that particular situation, and they were put into the concentration camps. Now what are the concentration camps? This question arises, and yes, it is an important question you to understand. The concentration camps are the places where Adolf Hitler used to catch the peoples, especially the Jews, and those who were not, survival of the fittest. His slogan was, the people who is fit, he has an opportunity to survive, otherwise he or she will be killed. So the Jews were taken into the concentration camps, where they treated very badly, and for that reason the father and mother, or you can say the parents of Marga Minko, was also taken away into the concentration camp. Now the horrific situation was there. Her mother and father both were killed, both were died into the concentration camp, but she alive, she became free, she emancipated from there, and all the belongings, her mother's belongings was taken away by Mrs. Dorling. I will tell you in detail that who is Mrs. Dorling. The name of mother of narrator's mother is Mrs. S. I will tell you who is Mrs. S. I also will tell you who is Mrs. Dorling and the narrator itself. So in the next on your screen, the ideas about this chapter is very interesting. What I was saying about the Holland, this all scenario took place in Holland, which is a country situated in Europe. The concentration camps, narrator's mother and father died over there, her parents died over there, but she alive, she became, and she ran from there, and she was in search of her mother's belonging. So all the story will be linked by me, and I will explain you in detail. Each and everything is very important. So in the next presentation, I will tell you the further story regarding to this chapter. Thank you.